Why would you do that?
Not much we can really do, man. I don't know. Any idea where he is?
You push from the back, I'll steer. Well, it's always moving back.
You turn your back windscreen wiper on.
My car done now then?
Don't worry about pushing it, I'll just tell it out. I don't know where the tow. Have you got to go on? Expensive, isn't it? I'm not going to make Mark all weekend. I think you're alright. Hey, Daddy. Right, when you ready, mate?
No, it's only about a foot of it.
Did they go through so quick?
It dips down in the middle. It dips down. Yeah.
Oh, front angle.
I've seen them for a year. Oh.
Running.
That's right. You're welcome to be in it.
Thanks. It's off the drop. That's the whole wheelchair's going with. It's on the way over to you, Ben.
I'm amazed he's actually trying. It's Lynn! I can see why. Oh! We made it! Yeah, right up here.
Oh, mate, it's gone.
I probably wouldn't, mate.
It's a foot and a half.
Look at the stick,
If you go really slow, you might be all right, but
it dips down in the middle, then it goes up a bit. So keep going.
keep going. Your number plate's still visible. Keep going. Is this the deepest bit? Yeah, it's not getting any deeper than that now. Just keep crawling like that, you should be fine.
Sorry, mate, you ain't gonna get a video out of me.